Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you a very exciting video, and that is a box just got dropped off at my house, and I thought I'd unbox it with you. That is from hashtag Team Pixel. So this box is obviously from Google, and we are going to unbox it and check out probably the new Pixel 3a or Pixel 3a XL. Before I open it, which one do you think it is? Let me know in the comment section down below. And now let's open it and see. All right, so it looks like the standard 3A, and it is the purplish color. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Google. And just a little bit on the device. Pixel 3A, we'd like you to be among the first to have it. So all hashtags and tags that I will leave in this video. And looks like we got a couple goodies. So we got the Pixel 3a itself, again in the purplish color. This is, yes, purplish is the correct term, 64 gigs of storage and 5.6-inch display. Let's go ahead and start to open this. I also have the regular Pixel 3, so we can kind of do a size comparison before the end of the video. So let's go ahead and see. So this is it, guys, the purple-ish color. It's a very light purple, I would say more of a lavender style. And this is really interesting. It looks like I'm gonna have to switch daily drivers yet again. I'm currently testing out the LG G8, but this one might need to be tested as well. Now the big thing about this phone is that it is $400 for the same camera that was considered the best smartphone camera of last year, as well as just a really good overall build. Yes, it is plastic, but it feels really light in the hand. You have a headphone jack. It's slower processor, same amount of RAM as a Pixel 3, but the biggest thing again is the camera quality for this low of a price. Although I will say, Google, the one thing I wish we would have had is wireless charging. My kingdom for a sub $500 new phone that has wireless charging. Let's go ahead and check out what else we have here. So we got the case. This is, I'm guessing a fabric, yeah, fabric style case from Google. Let's go ahead and rip this off. And then we got a pop socket from Team Pixel, hashtag Team Pixel. I have officially joined. And then just a very nice reusable bag that you can just use on a day-to-day basis. I actually really do love and enjoy using those, so that's really nice to have. And here we go. This is the fabric case right here. Let me see, hashtag Team Pixel, and tips for cleaning, so that's kind of nice. It feels really good in the hand. Let's go see how it looks on. And there you go. It still shows the purple through the back and then on the bottom. Overall, let's see how the protection is. Pretty good protection. It goes in front of the screen, so that's really good. Your biggest protection is on the corners. So overall, I would rate this a good case. Before the end of the month, we will be doing a best cases for Pixel 3a. So let's go ahead. I'm going to finish the setup process, and then I'm going to check out the regular Pixel 3, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. So now we have the phones right here side by side. So the Pixel 3a is a 5.6-inch display as opposed to Pixel 3, which is a 5.5. However, you can see it's a lot taller in side-by-side comparison. So overall, your chin is much bigger here at the bottom, and I'm assuming a little bit at the top as well. That's a lot closer. And definitely you see a flatter style on this phone, whereas this one has a bit more curve to it. So on the sides, this one has a little bit of more of a curve on the side, whereas the Pixel 3a, it really is just flat. And so that's a really big difference that I noticed from the get-go. And then overall, in terms of width, they seem to be about the same, maybe slightly wider on the Pixel 3a, but overall, these two phones are really similar. So even though the Pixel 3a, again, is only 1-inch bigger screen. It's definitely a bigger all-around phone. And yes, it is lighter, as a lot of people have noted, just because it is a glass phone on the Pixel 3 versus a plastic one on the 3A. So overall, it's continuing to download here, but I don't really see too much of a difference. I have to play around with it more. Currently, I have Nova on here, and I do not yet have Nova on here, but I'm going to play around with these phones and definitely test out the low light. Probably going to test out the low light in our next video with this one. Just really want to see how it compares to the iPhone XS Max as well as the Galaxy S10 Plus and the LG ThinQ. Let me know which one you guys want to see it really compare against. And yes, we will test it out against mid-range as well to see really how it is. That is so hilarious. I guess the Team Pixel was of an outline of a Pixel 3, not a 3A, because we know this one is a little bit bigger, but this is identical to the 3. So, fun fact for you, if no one else knows, the Team Pixel logo here was done with a Pixel 3 outline. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.